If you've got more than 5 credit cards right now, there's a good chance you're quietly losing hundreds of dollars a year, and most of it is completely avoidable. This isn't a churning video. This is the maintenance playbook for the stack you already built. By the end, you'll have a repeatable annual audit that decides, card by card, whether it earns its keep or gets cut. Let's start with the real cost of doing nothing. A drawer of unused cards isn't neutral. Every annual fee card you forget about is a silent monthly charge to your future self. 1. And every card in your wallet goes into one of 3 buckets: keep, downgrade, or cancel. Keep means the card's perks, lounge access, credits, category bonuses, exceed the annual fee in real dollars you actually use. Downgrade means the perks aren't worth the fee, but the card has long history or a no-fee version worth keeping open. Cancel is reserved for cards with short history, high fees, and 0 realistic use case left. Quick test: list every fee card, write the fee, then write the dollar value of benefits you actually redeemed last year. If redeemed value is under 50% of the fee 2 years running, that card is a downgrade or cancel candidate, not a keep. 2. End time every downgrade request around the sign-up bonus clock, or you can forfeit points you already earned. Most issuers require you to keep the account open, and sometimes in its original product, until the bonus officially posts. Downgrading too early can flag the bonus as ineligible or trigger a clawback during an audit. The safe move: wait until the statement showing the bonus has closed, then wait 1 more full billing cycle before requesting a change. Mark the bonus post date on a calendar the moment you open a new card. This single habit prevents most accidental forfeitures. This matters more the more cards you're juggling, because it's easy to lose track of which bonus cleared and which didn't. 3. And before you downgrade or cancel anything, call retention first. A statement credit or waived fee can flip the math instantly. When you call to consider canceling, many issuers route you to a retention specialist with offers not published anywhere online. Common retention offers include a partial statement credit, bonus points for hitting a small spend threshold, or a one-time fee waiver. Ask directly, is there any offer available to keep this account open? Vague questions get vague answers. If the first rep says no, politely ask to escalate or call back another day. Offers vary by rep and by day. Track every retention offer you receive in your spreadsheet so next year's audit starts smarter, not from scratch. That's already 3 moves that can save real money. But the next one protects something you can't easily rebuild: your credit history. 4. Use a product change instead of closing the account, because it preserves your credit limit and your account age. A product change swaps your card to a different version from the same issuer without closing the original account number. That means the opening date stays the same, which protects your average age of accounts, a real factor in your credit score. It also usually preserves your existing credit limit, which keeps your utilization ratio lower than opening something new. Closing a card instead removes that limit from your total, which can spike utilization on your remaining cards overnight. Ask the issuer specifically, can I product change to the no annual fee version of this card? Not every downgrade path is advertised. Note that product changes usually only work within the same issuer's card family, not across different banks. 5. Avoid re-triggering the issuer's bonus restrictions, because many bonuses are limited to once per lifetime per card family. If you downgrade a card and later want the bonus again by upgrading back, most issuers will simply deny it. You already had that product. This is different from cancel and reapply confusion. A product change keeps the same account, so it never resets bonus eligibility in your favor. Before downgrading a card with a bonus you might want again in the future, check the issuer's public bonus eligibility rules first. If you think you'll want that exact product's bonus again someday, cancel instead of downgrade so the account fully closes and eventually resets. This is a real trade-off. Downgrading protects your credit history, but can lock you out of future bonuses on that product. Write down your intention, protect history or preserve future bonus, before you make the call so you don't decide on the fly. We've covered sorting, timing, retention, product changes, and bonus rules. Now let's turn this into something you actually run every year. 6. Build one annual audit checklist you run every year on the same date, so no card ever slips through again. Pick a recurring date. Many people use January, right after holiday spending, when statements are fresh. List every open card, its annual fee, its renewal date, and the benefits you actually used in the past 12 months. Next to each card, write keep, downgrade, or cancel based on the redeemed value test from Step 1. For every downgrade or cancel, check the bonus clock date from Step 2 before making any calls. Call retention on every fee card before acting. Every single year offers change, so last year's no isn't permanent. Log the outcome of every call. Offer received, product change completed, or cancellation confirmed with the date. Set a calendar reminder for next year's audit the moment you finish this year's. Future you will thank present you. Store this checklist somewhere permanent, not a sticky note. A shared doc or simple spreadsheet works fine. This single habit turns a chaotic card collection into a portfolio that's actually working for you instead of against you. Let's recap the 6 moves fast. 1. Sort every card into keep, downgrade, or cancel using real redeemed value, not assumptions. 2. Time downgrades around the bonus clock so you never forfeit points you already earned. 3. Call retention first every time before you close or downgrade anything. 4. Use product changes to protect your account age and credit limit whenever possible. 5. Understand once per lifetime bonus rules before you downgrade a card you might want again. 6. Build one annual checklist you run on the same date every year, no exceptions. The next move is simple. Pick your audit date right now, put it on your calendar, and run through your current cards using Bucket 1 tonight. You don't need fewer cards. You need every card in your wallet to justify its own fee. If this saved you a call to retention or one accidental bonus forfeiture, that's the whole point of the channel. Subscribe for the next long-term portfolio video and drop your current card count in the comments. Let's see how deep this stack goes.